In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rearrange WooCommerce products. Whether you're running an online store or just getting started, organizing your products is key to a smooth shopping experience for your customers. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to head over to your WordPress admin dashboard. This is essentially your control center for managing your website and store. Once you're there, look to the menu on the left side of the screen and find the option labeled Products. Hover over or click on it, and you'll see a submenu appear. Here, select All Products. This will take you to a comprehensive list of every product you've added to your WooCommerce store. It's the central hub where all your items are displayed, and from where you can manage them effectively. Once you've landed on the All Products page, glance towards the top of the screen. You'll notice several links labeled with different options. Among these, there's a link called Sorting. Click on this link as it holds the key to rearranging your products as you wish. Once you're in sorting mode, you'll see your products listed in a way that allows you to get hands-on with reorganizing them. Now comes the fun part, dragging and dropping. You simply click on a product and drag it up or down to the position where you want it to appear. Imagine it as organizing books on a shelf. You're just placing them in the order that makes the most sense for your store and customer experience. As you move each product, think about how you want your customers to navigate and find what they're looking for. Maybe you want to highlight a new arrival or a best-selling item by placing it at the top of the list. An important thing to remember during this process is that WooCommerce is intuitively designed to save you time. Every change you make here is auto-saved. This means there is no separate save button to hit after you rearrange things. As soon as you move your products, WooCommerce will save those changes in real time. It's a fantastic feature that ensures your work isn't accidentally lost. Once you have everything set up just the way you like it, take a moment to visit the shop page of your website. Refresh the page and you should see that the products now appear in the order you just established. It's satisfying to see your perfect layout come to life, reflecting all that careful organization. And that's it. You've successfully rearranged your WooCommerce products. Now your shop page is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also functionally sound, making it easier for your customers to find exactly what they're looking for. Thanks for watching, and best of luck organizing your WooCommerce store.